In front of me is OPPO RENO12 FS, and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password from Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Google. Then tap on All Services, Autofill, Autofill with Google and Google Password Manager. Finally, tap on the password that you wish to delete. Enter your current login method and click on Delete button. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!